Struggling to understand where your money is going in your business? A profit and loss statement could be the game changer you need. Hi, I'm Karen Spencer, an accountant with over 15 years of experience helping creative entrepreneurs like you. As a crafter and a business owner myself, I know the unique challenges you face. So, what exactly is a profit and loss statement, or P&L for short? Simply put, it's a financial document that shows your business's income and expenses over a specific period. It's your go-to tool for seeing if your business is making a profit or running at a loss. Think of it as a financial record of how well your business did over a period of time. To create a basic P&L statement, start by listing all your income sources, like sales from your Etsy shop, craft fairs, or custom orders. Next, list out all your expenses, including materials, shipping, overhead costs like rent or utilities, and even marketing expenses. Subtract your total expenses from your total income to find out your net profit or loss. It's that simple, but it gives you a clear picture of your business's financial health. Now, why is this important for you? Many makers and crafters struggle with knowing if they're truly profitable or just breaking even. A P&L statement helps you determine your actual income and expenses, so there are no surprises at the end of the month. It also helps you calculate crucial metrics, like your profit margin, which shows how much money you're making after covering costs, and your break-even point, which tells you how much you need to sell to cover all of your expenses. Plus, by reviewing your P&L regularly, you can spot trends, like rising material costs or seasonal dips in sales, and adjust your strategy accordingly. This takes the guesswork out of managing your business and helps you make informed decisions to grow. So let's recap. A profit and loss statement is your financial snapshot, showing income and expenses. It helps you track key metrics like your profit margin and break-even point, and identify trends in your business. It's a powerful tool to ensure your business stays on the path to profitability. Ready to take control of your business finances? Start by creating your own profit and loss statement. If you need a little help, my Finance Wizard tool makes it super easy to create one. There's a link in the description to it. And if you're looking for personalized guidance, I'm here to help with one-on-one coaching. There's another link in the description that will help you schedule a free initial consultation. This is just the first in a series of videos on using financial statements for your small business. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Reach out today, and remember, stay profitable.